Jaihindpuram is a notable area within Madurai city. Within the Jaihindpuram area, Jaihindpuram Vattar Kalanjiam (JVK) have covered nearly 21 slums across 16 wards. These slums are either compact or scattered, with many residents having migrated from various districts of Tamil Nadu. Most people work in appalam companies, rice mills, bureau companies, store companies, and silver workshops, weaving, tricycle load carrying, construction work, vending, sweeping, and working in silver workshops, steel furniture companies, and as painters and auto drivers. Women are primarily engaged in flower selling, vending fruits and vegetables, working in appalam companies, basket making, serving as domestic helpers, construction work, and running small shops selling idlis and paniyaram. The Tata AIA Saath Saath is a non-linked individual life micro-insurance savings plan that combines the benefits of savings and life cover protection under a single policy. With Tata AIA Life Saath Saath plan, you get the dual benefits of guaranteed returns and life insurance coverage. Why micro-insurance? It is designed to allow people from low-income groups or economically weaker sections of society to get access to insurance products. This type of insurance aims to help such people cope with financial troubles arising from illness, natural disasters, or other unexpected events. Let's dive into the benefits of the Tata AIA Life Insurance Saath Saath plan. No medical tests, predetermined returns. Preferential rates are available for females and attractive returns are assured. The policy can be surrendered anytime during the tenure, as long as the first year's premium has been paid. In case of the insured's untimely death, the nominee will receive a sum assured, which is the highest of the following: 10 times the yearly premium, the basic sum assured, or the maturity sum assured. If the premium is not paid within the grace period, customers have the option to revive their policy within 2 years from the date of the first unpaid premium and before the maturity date. Now, let's look at the eligibility criteria for the Tata AIA Life Saath Saath plan. The entry age for this plan is from 18 to 50 years. The minimum basic sum assured is 10,000 rupees and the maximum is 2 lakh rupees. The policy term is 10-year and premium paying period is for 7 years. For example, let's consider Miss Anu, who is 25 years old. She takes a policy with a base sum assured of 1 lakh rupees. The base premium she will pay annually is 2,665 rupees. Over the 7-year premium payment term, the total paid premium will be 18,655 rupees. If something happens to Miss Anu during the policy term, her nominee will receive at least 1 lakh rupees as the base sum is fixed. In this case, the maturity benefit factor applied to the 1 lakh rupees base sum assured is 130%. Her maturity amount will be 24,252 rupee after completion of 10 years.